Hello, PA Suiter here from Rejuvenate 528 Medical Center. This is my lovely patient here. We're going to do a two-factor treatment here using the latest technology in stem cell growth factors. We are using bone marrow mesenchymal stem cells, which really emit growth factors and cytokines that are specifically targeted to regrow the hair, improve the follicle health, stimulate the scalp, and regenerate and reactivate all the stem cells in the area to come on in, regrow, improve the length of the growing phase, decrease the shedding phase, and we're really going to stimulate these hair follicles to grow. This solution, we usually recommend doing a series of 4 to 5 sessions, 1 month apart, and then at 6-month intervals for maintenance. We're also today going to do the stem cell microneedling treatment using specific growth factors to improve collagen, skin quality, and health. We're going to get started today with the hair session first. So I'm just going to kind of gently massage her scalp first, kind of improve the blood flow. This might be a little bit skinny, just a little bit. Just try to stay nice and relaxed and just breathe deeply. Try not to move. Okay, here we go. Ready? Mm-hmm. Just like that. You okay?
I barely even felt it, actually.
So you might feel like a little bit of pressure. It shouldn't be very, very painful. It should be very, very quick. A little bit of pressure. You kind of target the areas that you have most of the shedding, usually right around the front, the crown, right here in the widow's peaks. But we also put it in that hair that's healthy, because really what we're trying to do is get these messengers and cytokines to the area where the body will start communicating to itself, and the hair follicles really do talk to themselves. They start communicating and sending signals from the healthy hair follicles, and they do messengers to the less active and more degenerative hair follicles to help regrow, improve the texture, the quality, and really the health of the hair to make it more shiny. How are you feeling, okay?
Yeah, it was nothing.
That was nothing? Okay.
No, just tiny little pops. It kind of felt like if you pull one little hair out, that was about it.
Okay.
I was
it's
surprised.
all done.
Yeah. Wow. Easy.
Pretty quick, pretty easy.
She's good too.
And then I recommend taking the home stem cell hair kit. It's an activation system where we use polybotanical nutrients to kind of stamp into the head. And then we also, on alternate days, use the stem cell activator. I recommend decreasing anything that's highly chemical or very synthetic shampoos and conditioners, using something either a little bit more natural or something that's gentle that helps invigorate the scalp, like anything with like tea tree oil, lavender oil. Gentle little massage, there's no downtime at all. Hot shower, warm compress, but otherwise no downtime at all. And then you're going to come back in 2 weeks, and then we're going to continue the sessions 1 month apart.